Hello and welcome to this next tutorial of shell scripting. In this tutorial we will study the program for a demonstration of a function. So we will understand a function, how to write a definition of the function, how to call the function, how to pass the arguments to the function with some example. Okay, so we start with the program. So in this program we will perform the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so to perform those operations we will write a menu by using a infinite while loop. While true, syntax for while loop is while true, do and done. Okay, inside this while loop we will print a menu. So command to print is echo. Let us write this as menu, then echo for performing addition we will use plus sign, so plus for addition. Then we will perform multiplication and addition. Here subtraction and division you will perform as an exercise. So multiplication, let us say x. Don't use star because star have special meaning in shell programming, so that's why we have used x here. Then last echo, enter your choice, read that choice in variable says ch choice. Okay, after we have printed the menu and read the choice from the user, what exactly or which operation he wants to perform. Then write a case statement, case dollar choice in, end of the case is sec. Okay, now inside this case statement we will write the cases like plus for addition. Okay, so we are only writing addition function here. So this is the function call for the addition. Okay, later we will write a function definition. So addition requires the two numbers. So first we will read the two numbers before the start of the while loop. Echo enter two numbers and read that in variables say num1 and num2. Okay, and pass these variables to addition function say num1 and num2. End of the case is double semicolon. Okay, so this is the first case we have written. Then we will add for multiplication also, but before that we will write a star case. Star is a default case. So here you will print wrong choice. So this will be a default message printed by a shell script if user enters the wrong option. So wrong choice, try again. Okay, and end of the case. Okay, now here we have called the case dollar choice in addition echo. Okay, here we have called the addition function. Now we want to write a definition of addition function. Now remember in shell programming all the definitions should be written on the top of the shell script. Like in C programming we declare the functions at the top and it is allowed to write the definition at the bottom also, but in shell script all the function definition should be at the top only. So we are writing here the function definition. Okay, so here we will require a sum. We will use variable sum equals to, we have to perform the mathematical operations, so these are the quotes, quote key under escape. Okay, so sum equals to expression. So which two numbers we have to add? Whatever the numbers we have passed from the calling of the function. So this is the function call. In function call just write the name of the function and whatever the arguments that you want to pass, add it next to it. So here we want to pass the values, so $num1, $num2. Okay, so here sum equals to EXPR, expression, dollar we have to write here dollar number 1. So we'll write $1 plus $2. Okay, remember this arguments are considered as command line arguments in shell script. So number 1 is the first argument and number 2 is second argument. That's why while referencing those arguments, these arguments are referenced by the number of the argument on command line. So number 1 is at the first position, so $1, number 2 at the second position to $2. Like this you can pass 9 number of arguments, $1 to $9 are referred as the command line arguments. So here we have perform the addition, and we will just print addition equals to $sum. Okay, let us try the program. Name of the program is function demo. Enter two numbers, let us say 4, 5. Perform the addition plus it is displaying the addition as 9. So our program is correct. Now we will just copy this function for multiplication. Multiply. And in this case we will copy. So instead of plus, we will write X here. Don't write star, because star means a default case. So that's why we are using X letter here. The same arguments are required, only function name will change. multiply. And inside a function, this operator will change /star. And this variable we will change as say mul multiplication and print it as mul multiplication. Okay, let us save the program and try to run. Enter two numbers, let us say 4, 5 plus addition is 9 and X multiplication unexpected argument. So this slash is reverse /star. Or 5 multiplication X. So now it is printing a correct result. We have printed here addition equals to, this should be multiplication equals to $multiplication. So it is printing the correct result. Only remember this multiplication operator is /star. That's why I have taken a multiplication case here along with the addition. Other cases subtraction and division. The subtraction operator is minus and subtraction operator is minus and division operator is slash. So by making use of these two operators, you can perform the remaining operations. So this is for a exercise for you. So complete this exercise. So we have studied all the basics of shell script, like variable declaration, then for loop, while loop, until loop, then if statement, case statement, and functions as well. So the basic fundamentals of the programming of shell we have studied. From the next lecture we will start the commands used inside the shell scripting. So these commands are very important for administrative work. So whoever wants to become a system admin, he must know these shell commands or the Unix commands and programming using the Unix commands. So we will start studying these commands from the next lecture. Thank you.